Did you know? Come along and see. There's a world of wonder right in front of you and me. Questions, stories, facts to share, little clues hiding everywhere.
Hello everyone, I'm Capt Jim.
And I'm Adela. Welcome to our weekly series, Did You Know?, where we share interesting facts, hidden gems, and fascinating stories about Pangil, Curimao, Ilocos Norte, and the Philippines.
Did you know that the Philippines has not 7,107 islands, as many of us learned years ago, but 7,641?
And those islands are home to an extraordinary variety of languages, cultures, landscapes, and wildlife. Today, we're taking a quick journey through some amazing facts about the Philippines.
For many years, books, classrooms, and travel guides said that the Philippines had 7,107 islands. That older number became one of the country's best-known facts.
But improved mapping, satellite imagery, and surveying revealed hundreds of additional landforms. The official count used by the Philippine government is now 7,641 islands.
That means the newer count includes 534 more islands than the number many people grew up memorizing.
Only a portion of those islands have permanent communities. You will often hear that roughly 2,000 are inhabited, but the exact figure can vary depending on how an island and a permanent settlement are defined.
Some islands are large enough to contain cities, provinces, farms, mountains, and millions of residents. Others are tiny pieces of rock or sand that may appear very different as tides and coastlines change.
The archipelago is organized into three major island groups: Luzon in the north, the Visayas in the center, and Mindanao in the south.
Luzon is the country's largest island and includes Metro Manila, the Cordillera Mountains, the Rice Terraces, the Bicol Peninsula, and our home province of Ilocos Norte.
The Visayas is made up of many islands, including Cebu, Bohol, Panay, Negros, Leyte, and Samar. It is known for historic cities, festivals, beautiful beaches, and rich maritime traditions.
Mindanao is the country's second largest island. It contains mountain ranges, fertile agricultural lands, diverse indigenous and Muslim communities, and Mount Apo, the highest mountain in the Philippines.
Those three island groups are even represented on the Philippine flag. The three stars symbolize Luzon, the Visayas, and Mindanao.
The geography of the Philippines helped create remarkable linguistic diversity. Communities separated by seas, mountains, and forests developed their own ways of speaking over many generations.
You may hear estimates of around 180 languages and varieties spoken across the country. The number changes depending on how linguists distinguish a language from a dialect. The
Comisión sa Wikang Filipino has officially mapped 130 indigenous Philippine languages. Other linguistic references classify additional varieties as separate living languages, producing higher totals.
Ilocano, Cebuano, Hiligaynon, Waray, Kapampangan, Pangasinan, Tausug, Maranao, and many others are not simply dialects of Filipino. They are languages with their own vocabulary, grammar, history, literature, and regional variations.
Ilocano, for example, is a language. Different communities may speak Ilocano with their own accents, expressions, and dialect variations.
Filipino and English are the country's official languages for communication and instruction, while regional languages continue to carry family histories, local knowledge, humor, songs, and traditions from one generation to the next.
The Philippine flag contains an entire history lesson. We already mentioned that its three stars represent the three major island groups.
The 8 rays of the sun honor the first 8 provinces associated with the 1896 revolution against Spanish rule.
And here is a truly unusual fact. The Philippine flag can be displayed differently during war. In peacetime, the blue field is above the red. In wartime, the red field is placed above the blue.
The name Philippines also carries a piece of history. The islands were named for Prince Philip of Spain, who later became King Philip II.
Long before that European name appeared, the islands were already home to thriving communities with their own governments, trading networks, languages, beliefs, and relationships throughout Asia.
The country's island geography did more than shape languages and cultures. It also allowed plants and animals to develop in isolation.
The Philippines is recognized as one of the world's mega diverse countries. Thousands of species found here are endemic, meaning they occur naturally nowhere else on Earth.
These include animals such as the Philippine eagle, the tamaro, unique hornbills, tarsiers, flying foxes, and many species found on only one island or within one small region.
Government environmental statistics recorded thousands of endemic plant species and hundreds of endemic animal species. That makes protecting forests, reefs, mangroves, and other habitats especially important.
When a species lives on only one island, losing its habitat there could mean losing it everywhere.
The sea is not simply the space between Philippine islands. It connects communities, supplies food, supports livelihoods, influences the weather, and has shaped trade and travel for centuries.
The country's exclusive economic zone covers about 2.2 million square kilometers, far larger than its land area. That helps explain why fishing, shipping, coral reefs, and coastal conservation are so important to Philippine life.
From the fishing boats here in Panguil to the busy ports of Manila, Cebu, and Davao, the story of the Philippines is inseparable from the waters surrounding it.
So here is today's Philippines fact list: 7,641 islands.
3 major island groups: Luzon, the Visayas, and Mindanao.
130 indigenous languages officially mapped by the Komisyon sa Wikang Filipino, with broader classifications often estimating around 180 living languages and varieties.
And a spectacular range of cultures, ecosystems, and species spread across one remarkable archipelago.
Which Philippine island, language, tradition, or amazing fact would you like us to explore in a future episode? Tell us in the comments.
Thank you for joining us. I'm Capt Jim.
And I'm Adela. We'll see you on our next adventure. Until then, take care and God bless.
Remember, every community has a story worth telling.
And every adventure begins with curiosity.
Oh, did you know? Come along and see. There's a world of wonder and discovery. Questions, stories, facts to share with Capt Jim and Adela. With Capt Jim and Adela, come on, let's go there.